Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police jongka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek's aim. Ula Pyntip bahadu mentah ke Embassy of Hungary ke Badanhan New Delhi kampat Shimti setiaya ke Metïap jong Zolt Pushkash Nong Shanghai Pertai Nagari Hungary ubala Klatno. Ya ke Metïap jong lalap nagawe ke jaka balakot kerteng kum ka rengku kesang ke Badang hap hapok ke Shnong Ramdai jong ke Tain Shela East Khasi Hills District. Haga jingi keren bat gelat patai kubor haga kat sauterik uyayong arajar arpusan. Superintendent of Police ulayatu baka sorkar kala Pyntip yakani ke jingja shaka embassy bakan pa yo kerwo shaki bahayeng asem bagin wan Shimti no yakamet balabu haga jaka bu Metïap has civil hospital Shillong. Kumban syupen kenmau biang hang ni bau Zolt Pushkash ulaja nado ka arpu kendai terik uleber arajar arpusan bat kala donru ke jinglej ujor syaki pulen haga arterik uyayong arajar arpusan bat yaga met jong lalap haga shipau terik uyayong arajar arpusan.
We've only actually, in fact, many things have come in the papers, but as of now, postmortem has been done, postmortem has been done. The forensic team has visited the place of occurrence, and now the body is in civil hospital morgue. We are awaiting any communication from the embassy as to whether any relative would come and take over the body, or they want the final rites to be completed in Shillong. Yeah, we're in touch with the embassy, and the embassy is in touch with the family members. Well, first thing is don't go for trekking alone. The first thing is don't go for treks, especially to places where you have a lot of forested areas alone. Number one, that's the thumb rule of trekking. Don't go alone. Number two, for foreign tourists, take a guide. Get to know the place. Get hold of a trekking club or a trekking vendor, or which actually provides the services and all that. For foreign tourists, it's very important that when you check into a hotel, you fill up the sea forms. Otherwise, we will show cause the hotel or the guest house, which actually doesn't ensure sea form entries for foreign tourists. So these things, and then people once they check into a hotel, they should find out for our emergency numbers in case they require any police emergency. We've had many cases in Mausel, Nong area where people got lost and all that. But thanks to the 112 people have called, and Sora police station have responded swiftly. And this is not the first time that a tourist has lost. Has got lost. And many tourists have got lost, but they call 112 because they've inquired, in case I'm in a situation where I'm lost, what do I do? So that is very important, to know the route, where there's a route, what is the usual route. Then I would urge that we'll take it up. In fact, SDPO Sora has taken up with the villages also, that we'll have main signages, so that people don't veer off from the main route, trekking route. So these are some of the precautions they should take. They had booked a local taxi from near police station, near the Metïap police station, yes, and taken the taxi to Mausel village, and from there he alighted on that place, and then he walked from there.
Then this taxi left.
Taxi left, yes.
So in this particular case, whether the tourists had already informed the hotel about his...
No, he had checked out in the hotel at 9 o'clock. So...
Oh, he didn't stay there?
He stayed from 3:45 to 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock he checked out. Yes. So it's very important that actually when they check into a hotel, they should inform the hotel also. Ask the hotel for guides, trekking guides and all that. Where can they find a trekking guide? Who would host them out there? Who would guide them? So that's very important when they move into a hotel. Tell the hotel also, especially if they are new or foreign to this place, they should ask the hotel what they should do and where they're going also, so that the hotel knows. So it's easy to trace out the person. So we know which definite route he's going to.
And from Mausaya village, nobody has assisted him when he visited those places.
See, there's only trekking parties, unless a person goes and asks for help and all that. He's deemed to be like he knows the route.